Looking for a reliable replacement remote for your Hisense Smart Android TV? The ERF3J80H remote offers a seamless experience, matching your original remote's design and functionality perfectly. With built-in voice control, it's designed to make navigating your TV effortless and intuitive. When my original Hisense remote stopped working unexpectedly, I was relieved to find this exact replacement. It arrived within 3 days, faster than I expected, and paired instantly with my TV once I inserted 2 AAA batteries. The remote's size, about 6.89 inches long, feels comfortable in hand, just like the original. What really stands out is how easy it is to use. All the essential buttons are right where you need them, including quick access to your favorite apps. Programming was a breeze. I simply turned the TV off and on, and the remote synced right away. It's a great fit for Hisense 50-inch models, performing exactly as the original did. Beyond functionality, the remote's design closely resembles the original, so there's no learning curve. Whether you want to browse channels, adjust volume, or use voice commands, this remote handles it all smoothly. Plus, it's compact and lightweight, making it easy to hold during long viewing sessions. If you've been frustrated with generic remotes that don't quite work, this Hisense replacement is worth a look. It offers the convenience and reliability you expect from your TV's original remote, without the weight or hassle of dealing with customer support for complicated setups. The package includes 1 remote control, but remember you'll need 2 AAA batteries to get started. They're not included. Once powered, the remote pairs quickly and stays responsive, so you can get back to enjoying your shows without interruption. If that's you, someone who wants a hassle-free, fully compatible remote for your Hisense Smart Android TV, this model is a smart choice. It delivers what matters: ease of use, quick pairing, and dependable performance. No surprises, just a smooth viewing experience. Try the ERF3J80H remote when you're ready to replace your old or lost Hisense remote. It's a straightforward solution that keeps your TV experience running without missing a beat.